welcome to Miss Megan's Music Studio. Today we'll be going over SuperSonics Level 1 Method Book, and we will be on page 10. We'll play two songs, the first one being Can You Count, and the next one being the E song. Our first piece today is called Can You Count, and this is on page 10. You'll notice here that we have a whole note, and then we have quarter notes here and half notes here. So a whole note is new for us in this book. This gets 4 beats, so we're gonna hold this out. I'll count out loud while I play this one. And then our quarter notes get each 1 beat, and then our half notes each get 2 beats. So here we go, let's find our position. It says left hand, second finger on middle C, right hand, second finger on D. When I play each of the whole notes, I'll say it like this. Hold, 2, 3, 4. So here we go, starting at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Our next piece is called the E song. So here we go. This one has a combination of quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. So be watching out for those. I won't be counting out loud during the piece for this one, but I will count us in. So here we go. Let's start with your second finger on E, and we're going to be alternating back and forth from right hand to left hand on E. So watch for your stem directions. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a note to the parents. So for these two songs, this one has 2 letters that the whole song is based off of. It is C and D. And then over here, we're adding in a new note, and that one is E. So a fun game that you could do is you could cut out little pieces of paper, maybe 3 of them, and it has C, D, and E, just those letters right on those papers, and have them in a line, and have the student flip over one and try to go to the piano as quick as they can and play the letter that they see. And go back, flip over another paper, and then find that letter again. And then the third one, they can just keep doing that over and over again. That helps reinforce the C and D notes that we've learned here and our new note, E.